In the land where ice and fire coexist, the Norsemen of Brattahlid are on the brink of a journey into the unknown, a voyage to lands untold. Leif Erikson, a man of vision and courage, stands before his kinsmen, his voice firm, proclaiming their journey to the west, to lands of abundance and untold riches, lands untouched by Norsemen. Eric the Red, his father, watches him with pride, invoking the gods' favor upon his journey. The ship, a beacon of hope and discovery, embarks on a perilous journey through the treacherous waters of the North Atlantic, where storms rage and fabled monsters lurk. The seas are tumultuous, and the crew is tense, their faith tested against the wrath of the gods. They finally arrive and see the lush, uncharted landscapes of Vinland unfold before them, a land of plenty, a land of untold secrets. Leif Erikson and his crew, with eyes filled with wonder, explore this newfound land, marveling at the richness of the land, the vines laden with fruits unknown to their kind. With determination and resolve, they build Leif's Budir, their settlement in this bountiful land, learning its secrets, living off its abundance. But not all is serene. Internal disputes and clashing beliefs simmer among the Norsemen, a test of unity in this land of plenty. Leif Erikson, a calming presence, reminds them of their shared identity, their shared destiny, urging unity in this land of the unknown. Leif Erikson, leading his crew back to Greenland, laden with the riches of Vinland, presumably believed to be grapevines, leaves a land marked by Norsemen, their hearts heavy, yet fulfilled, their tales destined to inspire generations. Eric the Red, with tears of pride, welcomes them, his son's name etched in the annals of history. Vinland, an area of coastal North America, was explored by Vikings, with Leif Erikson landing there around 1000 AD, nearly 5 centuries before the voyages of Christopher Columbus. It stands as a testament to the daring and explorative spirit of the Norsemen, a chapter of history shrouded in mystery and allure. Even today, remnants of their presence, like the ruins of a church, whisper tales of their journey, their discovery, their life in this newfound land. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this journey into Viking history and want more exciting discoveries, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.